While attending high school, our guest now experienced tremendous loss but found the courage to persevere. Mileek Dilworth is joined by his mom, Sharine Thomas. There they are. Good morning to you both. Welcome to Smile Jamaica. How are you?
Fine, thank you. Good morning, and how are you?
I can't complain. Give thanks, and thanks for asking. Mileek, congrats. You got to the final of Schools Challenge. I know it didn't end the way you wanted it to end, but just to get to the final, just to be on the team is a big thing, and I'm sure, Mom, you are proud that he did that. So let me start with you, Mileek. What was that like first to be in the final of Schools Challenge quiz? What was that like for you?
Well, sir, to be honest, I'm very elated. Since I've been doing quiz, I've always told my mom here that I was wanted to be in the finals one day, and I'll work very hard and give it my best. And I'm here. I was there in finals last week.
Yeah, man. And Sharine, how proud were you of your son that he was in the final?
Very, very proud. It's like a dream come true.
Yeah.
Because he always wanted to be in the final
Fantastic.
before we finished high school.
Fantastic. Can you play again, Mileek?
Yes, sir. I have 1 year upper six.
All right. So you're going with next year, right?
Yes, sir, definitely.
All right. Good luck with that. You know, in preparing for this, I was reading, and it says you suffered a major loss. The house in which you were sleeping was torched. Let me ask you about that, Mums. When they say torched, that sounds like it was done deliberately.
Yes, sir. We were inside, and somebody lighted a fire. They buckled bomb it.
Do you know why they did it?
No, sir, we didn't have a clue at that time.
And you were both fast asleep?
No, we weren't sleeping. So that is how we managed to escape, because we weren't sleeping.
Okay. Mileek, what time of night did this happen? What time did this happen?
So it was close to midnight around that region, because at that time, about 3 days before, I came from quiz camp because we came home for the winter break, Christmas break, and I was in the house there. We were talking and laughing with my other siblings, and we just heard this commotion, some glass bottles on the roof, and at first we thought they were like stoning the house or something like that. So we didn't really know what happened. Then my mom here said fire, and then kind of started panicking and said it was a bad experience, very bad experience.
Yeah. Everyone in the family okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fantastic. What was it like for you after that? Because I'm told you lost everything, Mileek. What was going through the mind then? Were you thinking, how am I going to come out of this? What was going through the mind then?
Yeah, well, first, when after the fire, I said to my mom that I have CXC, and most of my SBAs were inflamed because I rely on write my SBAs and my labs, and especially my labs book, because I do chemistry and biology in school as well. I don't do physics and all sciences, but those went in flames as well. My SBAs, my laptop, my devices, everything. It was really bad. But my school, they really helped me, and I get to bounce back a little bit.
Yeah. Mums, how were you able to motivate him and let him know that he still has to push on and stuff? How difficult was that for you?
Yes, it was very difficult to keep him on the street path. And I have to encourage him at all times, try to be there for them. And just tell him that everything will be okay. And ask him to trust in God.
Wow. What has it been like for you, Mums? Because it must have been really traumatic. And how are things right now?
Well, things is a little bit better because we got a house to live and we moved from where we were living. We are now living in Montego Bay, so new school for the other students, and I got myself a job. So yes, I got somewhere to rent. So we're getting there.
Okay,
And
fine.
that makes me proud, he got all his subjects.
Oh, fine.
In spite of
Fantastic. How long did that take you, Mileek, to say, you know what, I still have to push on? Because some people, it takes a little while to come out of this. And your mom just said you live in Montego Bay. Are you in Montego Bay too, Mileek?
Yes, currently I'm in Montego Bay at the moment, sir.
And you still go to Calabar, sir?
Yeah, well, I'm normally bored, so it doesn't really bother me.
So you are in town?
Yes, I'm in Montego Bay at the moment.
Wow. Whew. How tough has this been for you overall? And are you back where you want to be now, or you still have to work things out with you in your mind?
Well, I don't really fully recover as yet, but I'm working on it. And even now, I have like capes to focus on, so I don't really make that trouble me. And I really have a lot of work to do, so yeah.
Boy, you're so strong. So impressed with you both. I'm so sorry what happened, but I'm happy that you have bounced back, and it seems like you are going to be all right. God bless you both. And thanks for sharing with us this morning. All right, stay safe.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Yeah, man. Calabar student, Schools Challenge Schools finalist Mileek Dilworth and his mom, Sharine Thomas. Not certain I understood whether he's in Montego Bay or not. I know he said he's boarding, but I'm not certain I understood that. We'll have to go to news. So the second edition of News in 5 comes up in a minute. Some come.